This is a Blomberg single integrated oven. Nice thing about this product, it has pyrolytic cleaning, so no need to clean your oven. If you don't know what pyrolytic cleaning is, you simply remove all of the shiny internals, you select the pyrolytic cleaning mode, and over an hour and a half to 2 hours, the oven heats up to about 480 degrees and it just burns off any remnants that are in the oven. So when the cleaning cycle's finished and the door unlocks, you literally just wipe out some grey ash and you're ready to go again. Blomberg products we found are superb. This will come with a 5-year warranty on registration, and I think styling wise it looks as good as an AEG or a Bosch product. It has the pop out controls. Basically it's multi-function. We've got top and bottom heat. You've obviously got the grill, fan assisted cooking, a defrost setting, and when you use the control over here to set the temperature, it's a digital control, so you will actually get the cooking temperature come up in the display, so it's far more accurate. If you want 185 degrees, you can set 185 degrees. There's no guesswork, it will actually come up in figures. We can offer delivery, we can offer installation, disposal of an old product. This is actually a plug-in appliance, so you don't need any super high power supply. It can just be plugged in, so a really good replacement if you've got a very, very basic oven at the moment. But yeah, Blomberg, 5-year warranty on registration, pyrolytic clean, superb little oven. Click on the link below, you can find all the details. If you have any questions, feel free to phone us in store, but otherwise, all the services are available. Just have a look, it's something that we really recommend.